yeah. Hey, Amaru. Only if you're ready. Let's go. I'm only looking for loyalty. All I need from you. I'm thinking you be the one for me. I can see it on you. Your love that do me every time. With you by my side, we gon' shine. Baby girl, you know you royalty. I've been waiting for you.
All right. So you didn't want to be on it. No, I don't want you to listen. Oh my gosh, no, I don't want you to listen. On the recorder. All right, shut the door. All right, so
Being booted out of my own holiday.
someone who didn't want to, she loves the camera. She pretends she doesn't like the camera, but she actually likes it.
Really? Don't care about all the noise, but I'm digging your station. See how you got my head spinning with a body rotation. Couple days went by, now I'm losing my patience. Go ahead, drop a pin, girl, wanna know your location. What's your location? Had to pull a plug on your ex, now you coming my way out.
All right, so we are currently in Nha Trang, and we haven't really done this a lot. We actually didn't. I feel like we did a lot of this when we were living in Kuwait. We would travel on the weekends for concerts or for just to get away, and this feels really nice. Like, it's kind of crazy to think that we'd spend so much time here this weekend, but then tomorrow I'll be in the classroom. I think it's one of the cool things about international teaching is like you can really maximize the traveling, the experiences as much as possible when you're an international teacher. I mean, that may not be the case for all international schools, depending on where you are, but I feel like that's something you can maximize on. Are the experiences, and we had a great time. I mean, we didn't leave the resort, but it's been just nice to get some sun. We didn't really get to do much outdoors kind of activities in Hanoi just because the weather is awful. But hopefully when we get back, the weather's a little bit better, because according to the weather lady, who's my wife, the weather is supposed to do a little bit of changing within the next few weeks or so. So with that, the book stuff has been going pretty well. I've spent a little bit of time, actually a lot of time writing this week, which is really good. I feel really good about my second manuscript, and I've also done a little bit of work on another book that I will eventually like to pitch to my agent as well. It's really hot, so I'm hoping to finish this vlog very, very soon because I'm roasting. But other than that, I'm super excited about where I'm going with the second manuscript, and hopefully that gets not necessarily pushed through, but we can find an illustrator for that soon. And what else is happening? Oh, we have an event. I'm a part of NCTE Build Your Stack. We have an event coming up that I will pop somewhere in the video here for you to check out. Super cool. Lots of teachers, educators, librarians sharing some of the books that they love and enjoy. And I think it's just cool that educators are able to get together and talk about books during these times. Books that are important, books that change the world, books that influence schools. So yeah, other than that, my wife is coming again. She loves the camera, but she's pretending. Like, look at her. Look. Look at her. Anywho, yeah, things have been good. This is our happy place. Not necessarily a resort, but just being in the sun, enjoying the time together. And yeah, I have a book coming out in September, if you didn't know. I'm super excited about it. Hope you put in your pre-orders because it's gonna be amazing. The countdown is on, people. The countdown I think it's 22 weeks, 22 weeks, something like that. But regardless, it's happening. Super excited. If you haven't pre-ordered, go pre-order it. Until next time, thanks for hanging out. Peace.